It's Toy Corner.
We're in San Diego Zoo.
Yay! Gonna see animals.
Yes.
There you go. Come on, let's hop on the car.
Ooh.
Look, Tiger, he's eating a bone.
Yay! Are the tigers the biggest cats?
Yeah.
Tiger's even bigger than a lion.
Here you go.
Whoa!
Really? You can go all the way to Vancouver? Good job, you guys. Oh, we're gonna play. So these guys, they don't have their own rooms yet because they're still young and they've grown up together. Soon they're gonna want their own.
Here, you go back the window.
Oh, do you see what he has in there? He's smelling a peacock feather. Remember how I told you that tigers and cats like smells?
Yes.
Well, he's never smelled a peacock before, and look at him. He's trying to figure out what that smell is.
Can I eat
And if
it?
he can eat it.
They're
They're both toys. They're brothers. This is our biggest polar bear right in front of us. His name is Kalu.
It's going to the water. Yeah. Wow.
He's eating a fish, see?
Yeah. Wow.
And look at his big giant claws on his.
Yeah, he has giant claws. Lily,
Yeah.
do you know why polar bears are white?
Because they use camouflage so no one can see.
Because they
As
live
the
where?
snow.
Yeah, because they live on the snow. Whoa.
That is a real crocodile. You know what crocodiles are really good at?
At fish. I'm catching fish.
At catching fish like the fishing cat, and they're also really good at being statues. They're
like-
so good at staying still because you know what? They like to rest, and they don't want to waste any energy. They want to use all their energy when they need to find food. This, everyone, is a snow leopard. That's good. I'm glad you know that. Now, if they're called a snow leopard, do you think they live where it's hot or do you think they live where it's cold?
You live where it's cold.
Where it's cold. Do you see all his fluffy fur? That helps keep him warm. And look at his tail. His tail acts like a blanket.
Lion, Mommy, I'm so happy.
He's so big. Lily, what do you think? It's a female or male?
Male,
How do you know?
because it has the mane. Kind of looks like scar to me.
That's Umbari. You guys say Umbari. Now you know his name. Umbari.
Secretary bird's eating a mouse. She just gobbled up a mouse right there. Oh, look at her. Ooh. You see those long legs?
Yeah.
You guys ever seen Kung Fu Panda? And how he kicks really fast?
Yep.
Well, she can kick faster than Kung Fu Panda. She kicks so hard and so fast, she's able to eat things like snakes before they bite her.
This is African elephant.
How do you know?
Because it has big ears.
Did you guys know elephants eat about 200 pounds of food a day each? And they drink so much water that each elephant poops 300 pounds a day.
And need peanuts.
They do eat peanuts sometimes, but you know what their favorite treat is?
What?
They like raisins. They love raisins. That's their favorite treat.
Giraffe. Wow.
Like they're eating.
And they hang the branches high so California condors?
That condor right there, he's the garbage man of the forest. They're very important, you guys. They may not be as cute as a panda, but they have a big job. They keep our forest healthy and clean.
So now they're both about 9 years old. It's a little bit our older pairing. Very handsome. He's staring beyond, which is typical for a cheetah. They're a motion sensitive animal, but one of the things that they do is they're usually looking a lot further away from what's immediate in front of them because they are looking for other prey items. They're looking for other predators in the area, and they might also be looking for other cheetahs in the area, whether it's males for competition or whether it's females for breeding. So they like to look around and survey their area.
This is awesome. I love it here, Mommy.
Panda. He's coming out. He's so cute, and look, he walks so slowly. He's going to eat this bamboo. Pandas loves bamboo. Look! Having a baby when it's not a good time. Wow! These are macros. How big they are. Oh. Hello, my friend. You are beautiful. Isn't she looks like a rainbow? Oh!
Just turn some misters on. I don't know if that's good or bad for him.
Yeah. Thank you. Lily, where are you?
Goat place.
Yay! Oh, you're trying to feed it with the hay. So cute.
I've seen him
Yeah. Good job. Ooh. She likes it. It's like scratching for them. Yeah.
He's like, me too, me too.
Me too.
Ellie knows where to put she's a very patient goat.
Where they go? Yeah. There's a cow. There's a few more. That's orangutan.
It's free. It's different monkeys.
Oh,
It's two different monkeys.
okay.
The same monkeys and Daddy Orangutan and baby. There's even a baby one. See that?
Wow, I need to get closer. I just see the daddy one. He's really big.
There's the daddy and the baby and the mommy.
The baby orangutan is playing. Wow. Do you see?
What I see? There's mommy climbing.
Yay.
Mommy and Daddy. And the mommy.
Yeah. Where we are going?
We're going to see bugs.
Insects house. Let's go here. Oh my god. Spider stick insect. Stick insect. Oh yeah, I can see it right away. Do you see it, Lily? Where's the stick insect? Here, and there's a one.
I just touched it.
You just touched it.
There's two.
Julia, Rose, and Tutu.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah. It's very furry, huh? Wow. So this is for ants. This is ant house. Wow.
And there's even more. Look.
Look, they have like eggs here. Is this where the queen lives?
Yeah, this is where the
Or maybe that's a food.
this is the egg. This is the egg place. Where they put all the eggs. This is where they protect their eggs. And look. There's some carrying the leaves. See?
Yeah. Ooh.
Kids store.
It's a kid store. Okay, show me if you want something. Safari. Oh wow, look, these are the big ones.
Oh yeah?
Did you see this one? Lily, is this cool? What about here? Come here, see.
Look at this.
Birdies. Oh, in green? I think we have the same lion.
But
Different colors, yeah? What about this?
look at these.
Do we have orangutan? No. Oh, wow. What is this?
Leopard.
Do you like this one?
Yeah. This is what my mom got me at the store. So this is my rainbow fidget spinner.
Woo!
Do you guys hear that?
Wow. Is this your favorite?
Yeah. So this is the jaguar.
Guys, if you haven't known, we actually collect these. So we have a lot of videos showing our animals in the videos. Just check out our list. And this is also Peppa. This is Lion. Who's eating healthy today?
Me.
Lily's eating healthy. And Mommy's eating the same thing.
And look.
Can we see your cat? Whoa! And Mommy has a kitty too.
Bye bye, Zoo.
This is the end of our first day at the zoo. If you want to see day 2, click over here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.